I'm proud to be an Okie from Muskogee. Sorry about that. Hey guys, so I originally had about a 200-mile trip planned for today, but it just ended up not working out, and the wind's kind of crazy today, so I'm kind of glad it didn't work out. Maybe we can reschedule that for a better day. But today I'm just gonna ride into Muskogee, try to find some interesting places to ride in town. So we'll see how that goes. For those of you who are here for the tractor videos, I apologize. My tractor's been in the shop for the past several weeks. Had about 18 hours on it, and it started leaking from the rear end somewhere, or leaking hydraulic fluid. I'm not sure. They haven't given me an update yet on what's going on with it. So that's a little disappointing for it to be so new and already having problems, but you know, I guess it's one of those things. Hopefully I'll have it back soon and I can start doing some more tractor videos too. Not looking forward to going over this bridge. It's going to be windy. Yep. Pushing me all over the place. TT250's doing good though, keeping up with traffic. 65-mile-an-hour speed limit. A lot of good taco shops through here, but there's one in particular that's my favorite. Taco Marina. If you ever have a chance to come to Muskogee, this is a must stop place. You got to try it at least once. Best tacos and burritos in the world. Back there's the Yaffe metal plant. It blew up about 15 years ago, and all the houses through here, the foundations were damaged and windows were blown out for miles. I lived in an apartment not far from here and thought it was the end of the world. Still see a lot of boarded up windows all through here. Dead end. Looks like that house burned. pretty cool little house. Lived in my town, or lived in this town my entire life, and never seen those roads back there. It's another thing about motorcycling, is it gives you an excuse to get out and see things you've never seen before. There's the Muskogee Fairgrounds. Welcome to the Muskogee Katy District. I'm proud to be an Okie from Muskogee. Sorry about that. That right over there used to be the place to be. Not much left in there anymore. I still remember right after it was first built in 1989, I remember going in there and riding the Christmas train. There was a train that went around in the mall at Christmas time. This used to be Sears, now it's a post office. Used to be a movie theater there. But once all the shops started closing, the movie theater closed down. My best friend lived in that house right there when we were in high school. This is the crown jewel of Muskogee, Honor Heights Park. It's the Muskogee VA Hospital. Well guys, thanks for coming along. This one may be a little bit longer than normal, but I hope you enjoy it. If you would, please like and subscribe. Leave me comments down below what you'd like to see, what you don't like. I would appreciate it.